Compact phones are becoming rarer in the smartphone market, and Asus is the latest company to join the trend, following Apple's footsteps by discontinuing their mini lineup. Zenfone 10 showed that good things can in fact come in small packages, boasting flagship specifications like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and a generous 16 gigs of RAM, all packed into a compact design. Not to mention, it still retains the beloved headphone jack and flaunts a stunning 5.92-inch 144Hz panel, all at a price that's more than fair for what you get. Now, onto the Zenfone 11 Ultra, set to be unveiled next week. While it's been noted that Asus is bidding farewell to compact designs, they're not holding back on the specs. The Zenfone 11 Ultra is expected to sport a substantial 6.78-inch AMOLED display, boasting a silky smooth 144Hz refresh rate. This puts it in the league of larger devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, indicating it's going to be a sizable handset. Under the hood, it's all about performance. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, it will be available in configurations of 12, 256 gigs or 16, 512 gigs memory options. The camera setup is nothing short of impressive, featuring a versatile triple camera system with a 50-megapixel main shooter, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 32-megapixel telephoto sensor. In terms of security, users can expect an in-display fingerprint sensor. And for those concerned about battery life, Asus seems to have addressed this with a rumored 5500 mAh battery, supporting both 65-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging standards. This significant increase in battery capacity aligns with the larger size of the device. Let's delve into the pricing details. Thanks to insights from a Czech retailer, Huramobil, we have an idea of what to expect. The Zenfone 11 Ultra is anticipated to debut with a starting price of Euro 985 or roughly $1,080 or Rs 90,000. Additionally, there will be a higher tier model featuring 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage, priced at around Euro 1,045 or $1,145. It's worth noting that these prices include a small discount during the pre-order phase, which concludes on April 14th. Following this, the base model could retail for approximately Euro 1,025 or $1,185, while the higher spec variant might reach up to Euro 1,145 or $1,250. With its impressive performance and cutting-edge features, the Zenfone 11 Ultra is poised to be a powerhouse device. But what are your thoughts? Are you going to miss the smaller-sized phones? Share your opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech updates, and until next time, peace out.